how to modify an existing document, I'm going to open one of the existing sales orders that I have in SAP. So I'm going to navigate to sales order, and I'm going to click on last data record to see the last transaction created. The first thing that I need to validate is that the sales order is open. So you can see here we have the status, and the status is telling me that the order is open. So I am able to do some adjustment. For example, modify the quantity. So if I want to modify the quantity for the line number 2, the only thing that I need to do is click on the quantity and change the quantities. And now we have the update button here. So to complete the transaction, I just click on update. Okay, now what if I want to add a new item? In the last line, I just need to click and select the new items and hit an update. Because this is a sales order and the sales order doesn't generate journal entries, as long as the sales order is open, I am able to modify most of the fields. For example, I am able to modify the quantity, the prices, the items, the remarks. If I go to the logistics tab, I am able to modify the ship to address, the bill to address. The only thing that I'm not able to modify is the customer code. So basically, sales orders, purchase orders, sales quotations, purchase quotations, and purchase requests, as long as they are open, I am able to modify everything except the customer code or vendor code. Now, what happens if a transaction is closed? So I'm going to find one of the closed orders. So I'm going to change to find mode. And then on status, I'm going to change to closed and press on find to see one of the existing closed orders. So you can see when the order is closed, I am not able to add lines. I am not able to modify the quantity or the unit price. I am not able to modify the dates, the customers, the totals. So basically the only thing that I am able to modify is sales employee, the owner, the remarks, the customer reference number, the document date. And if I go to the logistics tab, the only thing that I am able to modify basically is the shipping type. In the accounting tab, the only thing that I am able to modify is the payment method, cancellation date, and required date. So once the document is closed or has a follow-up document, like invoices or deliveries, your editing options become more limited. Now, what happened with transactions that create journal entries? For example, an AR invoice. For example, I'm going to open one of the existing AR invoices, and I'm going to click on last data record to see the last transaction created. This AR invoice is already closed, but even if the AR invoice was open, still I'm not able to modify quantities, items, prices, posting date, due date, document totals, because this transaction has a journal entry. So for those transactions where we have journal entries, I am not able to modify them. So the only thing that I am able to modify for transactions that create journal entries basically are customer reference number, document date, sales employee, owner, remarks, and some information in the logistic and accounting tab.